Wow. What I just realized was I literally recorded for the last 15 minutes and I didn't even press play on, or record on my camera. So this is going to be take two. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stan Lopez. Not sure if you guys took a look at the stock market today or the news, but today the stock market suffered from the worst one-day drop since March. Now, if you guys been paying attention to the stock market, we've been climbing day after day after day, and today we finally dropped. One of the biggest drops since March, where we lost about 7%, 1,800 points down from the Dow Industrial. So that's pretty big news. You guys can see right here. I did mention in my previous video that we were gonna have another pullback, and luckily we actually did today. For anyone that actually was sitting on cash and that actually found an opportunity to buy in today, I think today was one of the good opportunities if you guys did hold cash, and a perfect dip buy opportunity. So now the question becomes, are we entering another bear market, right? To show you guys what has currently happened in the last 48 hours, I did make some buys yesterday, unfortunately right before this huge market drop. So I'm gonna have to bring my average prices down tomorrow, because I do feel like we do have another opportunity for another drop. Also, before we do that, before we take a look at my portfolio and give you guys an update on it, I'm not sure if you guys have seen my last video, which I posted 2 nights ago. If you guys haven't, I did release a video for my 6 tips in long-term investing. So if you guys are interested in taking a look at that, I'll leave that info right above here. I did give you guys some value in that video. So if you guys want to do me a favor, check that out. Let me know your thoughts in the feedback and leave your comments below. All right, so let me just give you guys an update of how my portfolio is currently at through my M1 Finance. The last video I did post, my portfolio was up at its all-time high, basically at $10,700. Today we are currently sitting at $9,660.06. We are currently up overall $883.56, 20.57%. We have earned $72.17 in dividends. Because today was one of the biggest drops since March, my portfolio did take a dip. We lost about 7.72%. We also lost about $808.61 from that market gain. We are down this week $546.73, down 5.57%. And in the month, we are still currently up $663.06. We're up money weighted wise 8.54% overall. So not too bad, right? You guys can still see that each one of the slices on this pie is green, except healthcare. Healthcare did take a dip. Let's see why it took a dip. Actually, all 5 of these companies, MRK, Pfizer, J&J, MDT, AMGN, all were red today. They didn't held their gains. So let's take a look at the activity that we've had in the last 48 hours. We did have 4 buys that I did mention. I did buy T-Rowe, MRK, Coca-Cola, IRM. Now the reason why I bought these 4 particular stocks is tomorrow is their ex-dividend date. I typically like to look at ex-dividends to make sure that I do receive these payouts by the next payout date. Let's take a look. T-Rowe, I bought in at $128.33. giving me 0.67 in shares. We bought MRK at $82, giving me 1.21 shares. Coca-Cola, $48.76, giving me 2.08 shares. And IRM, $29.58, giving me 3.38 in shares. So if we take a look at this particular sheet I did create, each one, these were my previous shares that I've owned, and this is the new shares that I've bought. So with that being said, I did raise the average price on these particular holdings because I did buy them at a higher price than I originally wanted to get them at. But that's part of investing, right? You never know when the market's going to take a dip. You just have to put your money in and don't regret, don't look back. So with T-Rowe, we had an average of $109.77. With the new purchase I did yesterday, we did bring the average up to $120.88. So I am going to be considering buying more shares of these stocks tomorrow. With Coca-Cola, my previous average was $47.51. We brought that average up to $48.29. With IRM, $24.72, and we're now up $25.72. And with MRK, we were up $80.27. We brought that up to $81.15. Now you're probably asking, what are these colored bars right here? This is basically my goal of my payouts. I had a previous goal of $1 for these two and for MRK, and then $10 for IRM. We did reach, we were at 40% for T-Row, 52% for Coca-Cola, 80% for IRM, and 72% for MRK. Previous to the new purchases that I made, we do have a new balance with the new purchases that did cross my payout goal mark. We did hit 100% with T-Row. With Coca-Cola, we hit 137, 138%. With IRM, we hit 101%. And with MRK, we're up 146% on that monthly payout goal. That's the reason why I want to do it. It's just more of a personal thing that I wanted to do. Previous to this video, I was being paid $499 annually for my dividend portfolio. You guys seen it. I was being paid also about almost $40 to $41 a month. But with the new 4 purchases that I did make yesterday, we brought the annual to $516.87, bringing the new monthly average to $43.07 for this portfolio. Not too bad. Now, I did mention that we are going to be purchasing new stocks tomorrow. I'll share that in a few minutes. But let's go back to my M1 Finance portfolio just to give you guys another update of what happened. So yesterday, I did get paid out by Target, 39 cents. We did get another payout from ExxonMobil, $3.50. Chevron, $3.82, and J&J, 51 cents as well. Not sure if I did mention this, but we did get paid out by Southern, 79 cents, and GN, 29 cents. Pfizer, 46 cents, and 2 ETFs, 16 cents and 39 cents as well. So now with June. We're in June already. Let's take a look at this. This chart, we are up $12.47 for the month of June in total payout as far as all the dividends that have been paid out so far. And let's go back to, the buying ideas. So my nose is leaking. I don't know if I'm getting sick, hopefully not. So these are just my ideas. We do have 12 stocks here that I'm gonna be potentially buying in back tomorrow. We'll look at how pre-market looks like to see if I do want to make purchases at the 7 a.m. trading window for M1 Finance. And if we do that, PFE is one of the stock ideas that I do have. We have currently $36.79 cost average. They are trading a lot lower than that. For Altria, which is MO, we are currently around the same price for my average cost. So definitely going to be adding on to this company. They do have a good dividend yield. CenturyLink, $9.65. So I think I'm going to be rebuying more shares of them just because they are at my average cost. LTC, they are a little bit higher than my average cost, but they are a monthly paying dividend stock, so I do want to add on to more positions. Coca-Cola, they're under my average cost, so I do want to add more shares for that. For Stag, definitely want to add more to this particular stock just because they are trading a lot lower than what I bought them in for yesterday. I knew I should have waited, but I got a little impatient and I just said, you know what, let me just buy in, and it is what it is. NDT, they're definitely significantly under my average cost, so I'm definitely going to be buying more shares for that. IRM, $25.72, going to be adding more to that as well. MRK, we are lower on my average cost, adding for that. For AT&T, they are typically trading between $28 to $31, so this is I think still a good buy considering that they are at the same price. With WFC, which is Wells Fargo, they are trading lower than my average cost, so I'm definitely considering adding on to them because they are almost 15% below average below the 52 average. I like to look at this side of the chart just because when they're red, I feel like they have a good buying average throughout the whole entire 52 week. And JPM, they are definitely significantly lower on my average, so I'm going to be considering buying into them as well. We are currently up $798 unrealized gains on my overall holdings, so that's pretty good. Okay, so that's it for my portfolio update today. I hope you guys found this video interesting or entertaining. And I am not a financial advisor, so anything that I post on here is just for educational purposes. This is just my personal picks that I want to share with you guys. It's just my journey. I wanted to document this and let you guys know what I'm going through with my personal portfolio, and it's just more of a transparency to share with you guys, to give you guys an idea. If you guys do like the stocks that you guys like to see, consider buying them, but that's based on your guys' own risk tolerance. I'm showing you guys what I'm personally buying into my portfolio. If you guys want to add on to it, then hey, by all means do it. But that's it for my video today. So if you guys did like this video and you guys did find value and you guys found it entertaining, please do me a favor, hit that thumbs up button, throw me a like. That does help with the algorithm. Share this video with anyone that's into finance or investing in the stock market. And remember, my name is Stan Lopez. I hope you guys can consider subscribing if you guys are new here, and if you guys are investing in stocks, invest with me. All right, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.